beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty, science, and a touch of fun. If you've ever struggled with mascara that clumps, flakes, or just doesn't give you that wow factor, stick around. This review might be exactly what you need. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip, trick, or honest review. Today we're looking at the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara and Primer set. This duo promises to give you up to 5 times fuller lashes with the mascara, plus a primer that's designed to boost every lash look while conditioning them over time. It comes in a 0.28 phthalates mascara and a 0.24 phthalates primer, featuring a curved brush intended to lift and build lashes for a dramatic clump-free finish. Right off the bat, the formula feels lightweight but rich in pigment. The mascara glides on smoothly, coating each lash evenly, while the primer is soft and creamy, making layering effortless. In my experience, this duo works best when you apply the primer first to give your lashes that extra length and volume, then follow with the mascara to lock in fullness and shape. I tested this set during my morning routine and also for an evening look, and the results were consistent. The mascara held its curl nicely without flaking or smudging, even after a long day, and the primer gave a visible boost in both length and volume. I particularly appreciated how soft the lashes felt afterward, something not all volumizing mascaras can claim. On the downside, the mascara does take a bit of care when removing to avoid any tugging on lashes, and if you're layering too heavily, you might notice minimal clumping, but nothing dramatic. The pros are clear: easy application, impressive volume, long-lasting wear, and a primer that actually conditions lashes over time. The cons? Minor care needed during removal and slight clumping if over-applied. Considering value for money, this set is solid. L'Oreal has managed to combine a primer and mascara that perform almost like a high-end duo, but at a drugstore-friendly price point. Compared to similar products in the market, some high-end mascaras promise similar volume but don't include a primer, so this set offers more bang for your buck without compromising results. The packaging feels durable and sleek, easy to store or travel with, and the brushes are well designed to reach every lash from root to tip. The primer formula is gentle enough for daily use, and with consistent use, it does leave lashes looking healthier and more nourished. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't personally interacted with L'Oreal's customer support for this set, the brand has a solid reputation for responsive service, so any issues should be handled efficiently. If you're on a tighter budget, you can find drugstore mascaras that offer great volume on their own, but pairing them with a separate primer usually costs more than this all-in-one set. So for the price, this duo feels like a thoughtful, convenient investment. Overall, the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara and Primer set delivers on its promise. It's perfect for anyone looking for fuller, longer lashes with a bit of lift and drama without the fuss or fear of clumping. It balances performance, care, and affordability. Ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this mascara and primer set is in the comments below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.